face out of the water, little kitty.
Well, it's a combination.
I don't think you know how to snorkel.
I think you've got a future there because you are.
See, that's not so bad.
Almost irreplaceable.
See, it's nice and warm. It's nice and warm.
Tell me to turn it down.
It's nice and warm. Yes. You're nice and warm.
He looks happy.
Mm-hmm. He's very happy. It's a happy kitty. Happy kitty. Mm-hmm.
Kitty.
Making soap suds. Put it at the top of your head. Let's go, kitty. Okay. You're all set.
Bath. That's just doggy shampoo, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wring her out like a washcloth.
Now we just want to try to get the soapy water off.
Yeah.
Now you put her in the clean water.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. Did you warm this water up too?
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's nice and warm to the touch, which is probably why they're pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
And that's what a wet cat looks like.
Wet cat.
Now, let's fix you up.
Buff her out. I can't believe she's not whining.
This is a quiet one. It's getting dry already. See your hair standing up.
Look at that. Perky. Blow dryer.
I want to get a little more off yet. I think the kittens like this part better too, even though it looks kind of rough, but at least they're sort of getting patted at the same time. Whereas the blow dryer, there's no human contact at all, so I try to do most of it with the towel.
Well, that ain't my fault.
You got such sharp claws, they stick to everything. Your baby claws.
Yeah, that was a flat one. Got a happy tail. Straight up in the air.
Okay, you gotta do your other side. Oh, he's biting. This one's very loving.
Pat him to keep him calm.
Yeah, makes him comfortable, relaxes him. And try to give him something familiar during the process. And they're used to being petted and rubbed. And they're used to having mommy lick them off. But for the most part, I don't think this is too foreign to them. And she's just laying here. I'm not holding her down.
Looks happy.
Stop shivering. She's all warm now.
meowingm.com